Each day of your life is an opportunity to grow closer to God and become a better witness of Him in all you do. In John 15, verse 5, Jesus says, "I am the vine, you are the branches. If you remain in me, and I in you, you will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing." Galatians 5 describes the kind of fruit Jesus was talking about. In verses 22 to 23, it lists these fruits. The fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. A vineyard is a beautiful place to visit. Walking along the rows of carefully planted vines, you can almost feel the tender care that the farmer put into them. Luscious green leaves and bright red grapes bursting with flavor are all evidence of a healthy vine. The branches of a vine grow wild. They tend to stretch way too long, toppling over themselves, dragging the other branches down with them. A good farmer will prune such branches. These pruned branches are cut off from the vine to protect the other parts that remain. The pruned branches die and dry out because they can't grow without staying connected to the main plant, the vine. When Jesus used this metaphor, He was saying just how important it is for you and I to stay close to Him. Without our connection to Him, we cannot do anything. John chapter 15 speaks about abiding in the vine. John, who was also known as the beloved disciple, was kind of like Jesus' best friend. He stayed close to Jesus, and he actually grew in grace quite a bit from when we first met him to the last time we read about him in the Bible. At first, John was stubborn and fiery. In his immaturity, John wanted to pray down fire on a city, and he thought the point of his discipleship was getting the best seat in heaven. Jesus called him and his brother sons of thunder. But when we meet John at the end, in his revelation that became the last book of our Bibles, John is full of grace and humility. This is the natural byproduct of abiding in God and living near Jesus. Just like a plant that naturally produces fruit when it is in the right conditions, your life will seem to naturally grow the fruit of the Spirit when you stay near God. Why? Because you were made for it. When the Creator made you, He had companionship and friendship in mind. You were designed to stay close to the Father. Just like